Aqua Moon here, and I'm going to be trying to fix this old radio of mine. Now, it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it, but when you open it up, you guys probably can't see, but see this little metal rod right here? Yeah, that isn't supposed to be able to be seen. So I cut out an old plastic CD case, and my brothers are watching NASCAR, so if you hear anything like that, which you most likely will, try to ignore it. I can't. They're annoying. So anyway, I got this right here, and yeah. And it is a little bit different from a actual thing, because it's not like a triangle right here. I don't know, I'll try and put a picture up on the screen, show you, but yeah. So it has to land on the rod, because the rod is the thing that spins. Here. And no, this is not a tripod. I actually invented this myself, because my family has only trash in its house, and I have to make do with the trash that I have, okay? So, yeah, anyway, it goes right there, and then the CD spins, but I have my hot glue gun right here. It's heating up, and it normally just spurts out stuff right there. Also, I want to show you something that I got for Christmas, which was a long time ago. It's February, so yeah. But it's basically one of these cubes that look like it goes on and on forever and ever. And basically like that. But when I first opened this, I got corrosion all over these batteries. It is disgusting. Good thing it only ruined 4 out of the 8 batteries that are C batteries. This one's like really disgusting looking. Yeah. So, oh look, it's squirting stuff out. Let's try it out. I think I might have to go in and make the triangle myself. That part done. Now let's try and build it up. I really want this to work. That way I can use this thing. Okay, just let some of that dry. Okay everybody, the camera just died and now we have 58 seconds left of recording space. Anyway, I finished up with it, and as you can see, yeah. Alright, let's turn it on. Okay, I might need new batteries, but yeah, it spins, that's good. And I also, Aqua Moon, and put my, I don't have very much time left, but there's my logo, and boom, that's done, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, bye guys, subscribe!